this is the circuit diagram of JK master slave flip-flop. Here it is a J, it is a K here, J, here it is a K, this is the clock, here it is a Q, here it is a Q bar. This is the circuit diagram of JK flip-flop. So for this, I have created a symbol for JK flip-flop. This is the symbol of the JK flip-flop. This is the clock. This is the JK. This is a Q bar. This is the symbol of the JK flip-flop. Now we are going for TT test bench. This is the test bench of the JK flip-flop. So this is the V pulse. This is also V pulse. Here remember, here we have to connect the in-out ports here, labels. Here only input port. So this is the what are the values of the clock. 0.1 nanosecond, 0.1 nanosecond, 2 nanoseconds, 4 nanoseconds. Approximately 2 nanoseconds, 4 nanoseconds. Here similarly, this is 10 nanoseconds and 20 nanoseconds for J, and for K 20 nanoseconds and 40 nanoseconds. Remember, voltage should be 1 for every wave pulse. In everything, voltage 1 is 1 volt. Similarly, this VDC is a 1 volt. So now go to the tools to prime wave. Select and right click here, enable. Edit, sorry. Select it should be 1 nanometer. Oh, sorry, it should be 1 nano, here 100 nano. Click here, enable. Okay. So now click here expression, let the clock pulse, then J, then select K. This is Q. This is Q bar. Yeah, we have done. Now go to simulation, netlist. Yeah. This is the waveform of JK flip-flop, master slave JK flip. This is the clock pulse. This is J, K, Q, and Q bar. You can verify the output also. This is the correct output. Now we have to find the figure of merit for this flip-flop. So close this, and yeah. Here, to find the figure of merit, we need to calculate the power average and average delay. So for that, click here, click on the calculator, measure assist, select here, trans trigger. Yeah. Trigger signal is the input signal. This is, it will select the J as the input signal. This and target signal is output signal. So I'm selecting here Q. Yeah. Here first we will calculate TP low to high. Low to high, here always say 0, 0. Here value is 0 0.5, 0 0.5. As VDC is 1 volt, then half of the VDC. So here 1 volt, so 0 0.5, 0 0.5. So write these values are 1. So here low to high means waveform will be rise. So it should be right. Show preview, add to output. So similarly, now high to low. So here we have to select all. So from high to low means all. So we have to select all. Show preview, add to outputs. Now we have to find the average of this. So equation, here select TP low to high less TP high to low by 2. Then show preview, add to outputs. So now go back to the function. So now we have to find out the P average and I average. So now first we will find P average here. So this should be an average. Should be average. So select the output variable.